All right, clarinets, let's take a look at your warm-up 2. We're going to start at the top of the page with the descending exercise. Okay, it's the first 2 lines there at the top of the page. All right, so there's a different fingering for B, natural, that we need to talk about for measure 1. Okay, and for measure 3 and 4. So we know the naughty B as thumb, 1, 2, 3, and 5, kind of like from our G mini scale, right? When we went G, A, B. All right, but there's a different, or what we call alternate fingering, to make that same sounding B. And the way we finger that note is thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this little sliver key here that's kind of in between the 5th and 6th holes. Okay, and we use our ring finger to press that. So it's kind of weird, but your naughty finger, your 5th finger, is kind of sticking up in the air there. Okay, but that's the sliver B that we're going to use for this descending exercise. Okay, so let's look at the first 2 measures there. So we start on C, and then we go to that new sliver B. So you're actually going to have to press down again, 4 and sliver. Then it goes back to C, so just pick up 4 and sliver again. Okay, then if we look at the next 2 measures, we're using that B sliver again, and then we're going to B flat. So you're just going to take off your ring finger there, that sliver, because B flat is fingered thumb, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I like to think B flat, flat 4. Okay, so again, for measure 3 and 4, we go B, B flat, just take off sliver, sliver back down for B. Okay, if you look at measures 5 and 6, well, now we're on B flat, again, flat 4. Then you know A, we just add 5th finger to get to A, and then back to B flat. Now if you look at the second line, measures 7 and 8, those go A, and then A flat, which it says add 6, and first bass. So from that A, we add finger 6, and first bass, which remember is the one that's right on top of home base, if you remember Pinky Baseball. So A flat, and then back to A. Okay, well then measure 9 starts on that A flat with first bass, and to get to the low G that we know quite well, just take off first bass, and then put first bass back down for A flat. And finally, those last 2 measures there on the second line, G, and it says plus second bass for that G flat. So our second bass is the one that's on the top row here, but on the outside. Home bass, first bass, second bass. That's your G flat there. Okay? All right, I know that was kind of a quick walkthrough. You can also refer to the fingering chart that's in the back of your accent on achievement. But I'm going to go ahead and stay in finger, and you can watch my fingers and see if you can match as well all of this descending exercise, and then I'll play it for you. Okay? All right, so here we go at the beginning. My metronome is set to 70. Remember, we're using sliver B. 1, 2, let's say it. C, B, C, rest, change to B. B, B flat, B, rest, change to B flat. B flat, A, B flat, rest, change to A flat is, and then A, rest, change to A flat, G, A flat, last one, G, G flat, G. Okay, so you might need to break it down and kind of work 2 measures at a time, and then maybe see if you can start adding them together, top row, then see if you can play the bottom row, then see if you can put the rows together. But I'm going to go ahead and play for you all of the descending exercise. 1, 2. fun learning about those new fingering for B, the sliver B, and getting to use your pinky a little bit more.